Hello, this is Janne. This video is going to be like a buying guide for the electric adjustable table. I made this 4-thing checkup list, what to take into account before the buying the electric adjustable table, and also at the end of the video there will be more tips how to save the real estate at the top of the table. 1. What is the space where you're going to be using the electric adjustable table? Are you able to fit over there 1, 2 or 3-legged structure? If you are buying the table what has, for example, 3 legs, it will going to increase the cost because there is plenty more of the motors. 2. What is the good height for you in supported seating posture? You need to know what is the good centimeters in there and what is the good centimeters while you're standing. You need to be covering those before you think about the model of the table. Number 3. The tabletop. Next, you will going to think what you're going to put top of the table. Will you going to have the basis main unit in top of the table? Do you have, for example, multiple screens? Do you have speakers? What you need to put also into account? Think about those because those are the stuff what you need to know before you are thinking about the width and the deepness of the desk. 4. The structure of the table. For example, the table with the 1 leg are able to lift up 80 kilos. In the desk what I have in home, there is a weight limit for 60 and the 60 kilos. So total 120. Concerning about the structures, you will going to find out what is the warranty time for the table. Think about the assembling instructions. Is it easy to assemble? Also, how the manufacturers will going to deliver the table to you. Best ways to save up the space in the tabletop. When you have less stuff at the top of the table, it's easy to clean up and manage. I would strongly suggest that you will going to get VESA monitor arms. Are you able to put the speakers to head high? If you like this kind of content, hit the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to the channel.